This is intense. This is way too intense. I need to sleep. I had to get back down the hill. So now we're headed to Mt Olympus. I'm going to climb it. Climb to the peak. Hopefully. That's the plan. So I've just left the car park. We slept on the mountain overnight, about a quarter of an hour down from the start of the trail. Just then we could have some cell phone reception. It's a beautiful day today. The sun's only just come up. It's a beautiful clear sky and we're about to start. So on the way up we're taking the E4 trail, which goes from Greece all the way around to Spain. Where we are now is 1100 meters above sea level. The first base camp that we're getting to, 2100 meters above sea level, and then the peak that we're trying to get to, Scolio, is 2900 meters above sea level. So we've got about a 1800 meter climb, which is quite a way. And what I'm trying to do today is to walk all the way up to the top and back down in one day. So 6 hours up, 6 hours down, which is all the daylight I have. It should be just possible. Might have a little bit of extra time. Yeah. So this is the waterfall Olympus at the start of the trail. Beautiful blue water. I think I'm going to have to get used to climbing stairs. It's going to be steep. The terrain changes quite quickly. Now I'm walking through a riverbed. From what I've read, the peak that I'm going to is even higher than that, and that's a pretty high hill already. So I'm about an hour in and I just got to my first rest point. Some water over here. It's only been about an hour, but I'm already 73 floors I've climbed. The sun's just popped up over the mountain behind me, so now it's shining onto me. Just making the path look lovely. This is what my trail is, just zigzagging, rocky, a few steps and stuff along the way. It's quite a good path, very clearly marked out. Still a long way to go. So I got to refuge A, had a bit of a sit down, filled it with water, and now going to head out. It took me about 3 hours to get here, and I think it's about 2.5 to 3 hours to the peak. And now that the sun's out more, I've realised that I've forgotten to bring my sunglasses. So hopefully it won't get too bright. This path is getting a bit more rough and a lot more steeper. So we're getting quite high now. I think we're at about 2200 meters. It's a beautiful view, but I'm feeling more and more puffed because the oxygen level is starting to drop. At sea level it's about 21% oxygen, and then relative at about 2000 meters it's only at about 17, and then at the top where we're going at just under 3000 meters it'll only be about 14% relative oxygen to compared with sea level. Oh, it's hot. The view's amazing. It's starting to become less and less trees at the top as well. And there's little pinnacles where we're going to behind me. I think that's one of the refuges just there on top of the peak. So the trees have thinned out a bit more and there's less grass, and now we're just left with this kind of rocky path. It's It's quite slippery as well, lots of loose rocks. That's what I just walked up. Yeah. I'm wondering if there's another peak on the other side of that hill or what's on the other side of that. I don't think that's the peak, I don't think. So I've just gotten onto the top of one of the peaks that I could see, and there's just a flat bit and then goes around the corner, and I think it goes up a little bit higher. It's gotten really windy here, so I've had to put on a windbreaker as well. Windy and cold, but the sun's still out and very warm. It's beautiful out here. Just rocks. So I just got around the corner and I got heaps windier and I can see the peak way over there. Oh, I still have a long way to go. Well, I've had to sit down for 10 minutes, had some nuts and some M&Ms, and now I'm going to go and try and make it, I'm thinking halfway, and then have another rest. It is windy. So I only made it about 200 meters, and then just felt so tired. This last bit's really just a rock climb. I'm tired. Today I would have walked 22 kilometers. So I've been defeated. That's the Scala peak there. And across there is Medicus, Stefani over there, and then there's the refuge on the plateau. I'm only like 30 meters away from the peak, but this last bit is just so steep that if I keep going, it's going to be very difficult to go down. Yeah, for me, but I still have this lovely view here. I'm still on the edge of the cliff as well. But I think that's it for me. I came across a big hiking group too, about 30 to 40 people. They look very prepared, they all have the sticks and the proper backpacks and shoes and everything. And now we're back to refuge A. So I'm halfway down the mountain. So I made it back to the first stop I did where I filled up with water. It took me about an hour to get here from the bottom, but I'm absolutely shattered. This is the biggest walk I've ever done, and it was way too much to do in one day. There's a reason why everyone stays at the refuge. It's a 2-day hike, it's not a 1-day hike. So in this hike I've climbed about 1800 meters in altitude, which is the height of 8 of the Sky Towers and doing a half marathon after that. This is intense. This is way too intense. I need to sleep. I gotta get back down the hill. Just a little bit to go. Probably like an hour 20. Because I'm going a lot slower now until I get back to the van. And then I gotta drive it for like quarter of an hour to somewhere to park for the night. And then just go straight to sleep. Straight to sleep.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.